Hello, this is Erica Sparky Tech, and welcome to my review of the Matkao heated gloves. This is Matkao, and this is the best value heated gloves I've ever seen, especially with the current sale, making it less than $100 Canadian and less than $100 US, plus other sales on top of that. That's just crazy. This is a 2-in-1 glove. So we don't only have liners, we have a glove. Yes, you see this. A glove, liner, and a mitten for over top. That's insane. And a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. We'll show that momentarily. And a carrying bag with a thank you card and a user guide. By the way, this was 100% a self-purchase because this was too good of a deal to pass up. So let's check this out. We see an on-off button right here. And on the on-off button is a 3 power level indicator as well as a battery level indicator. If we look here, we have a nice grippy texture on here. And right here, we have our touch button pads right here and here. And we have little grips for fingertips. Nice! And how is it? Quite comfortable. I can feel some seaming around here. If I went for small, my pinky finger wouldn't fit properly. As we can see, it's all the way in. But this finger is not, and neither is the thumb. That's kind of longer than expected there. It says it's 93% polyester, 5% spandex, and 2% PU. The PU material normally is for water resistance. We're gonna have to see if there's any water resistance for this because I have not a clue. Let's try the glove over top of this. Wow, okay. It fits nicely over top. Interesting. Now, if I want to tighten this up, I got this nice little pull strap. I'll loosen off. That worked quite fast. Yeah, wow. I like that swing back. And here is our battery charging block. And one thing we'll notice is that these are connected, but the light's not on because almost all charging blocks have a light on after it's charged, just draining the batteries once you unplug it. And here is another charging block from a different company, and we see this, it's draining our batteries. Here is the battery. It comes of course with 2 of them, one for each glove, and our 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which is a standard 7.4 volts, making compatible with a lot of different gloves that have little battery banks. In terms of putting these batteries in, it's a lot easier to simply just shove it in like so than it is to put it this way around, it seems. It's interesting to see it opposite what I'm used to, and that's tight. That's way too tight. I'm gonna break a zipper doing it this way. So I think these gloves is gonna be one of the few that I wanna put the battery vertical just like so. High, medium, and low, and if I hold it, it's going to be off. And now it's not just pressing it on like this, see? Again, we press down, and I'll do the same with the other. And I'm gonna see when I start to really feel the heat, because I can feel slight heat right now. Okay, I can actually feel the heat in this glove already. So that's pretty good that we feel heat coming on. But I wonder if I can control my phone with this right now while I'm getting warm and cozy. Now, in terms of the heat, it's not warming up my fingertips right up here as much as it is right back at the hand. So this must be the main area. But let's get my phone and see if I can unlock it. Now to see if our touchpad will work with this. Okay, it'll work. Mitten liners to find out. There is definitely some water resistance at play here, and it seems a little less on top, which is usual. Normally this material is made for gripping. That's, I think, what it'll do. I don't feel the water at all. There seems to be a layer inside this. I want to see if I can get water to go in. I can feel squishiness of the water, but it's not going through. There seems to be a layer here making this waterproof. This liner is quite waterproof. I'm sure it gets leaked through eventually, but for the most part, it's at least very, very highly water resistant. I'm sure eventually through the seams it can go in, but I've been trying to soak this and see if it soaks through. So far I can feel the cold water, but I can't feel water in here yet. Do I have a bit? Oh wait, I think we, yes, finally got some water to go through by seeing the water in here plus splashing the water on earlier. So it's very highly water resistant. Now let's find out about this. I'm really doubting this will have waterproofing. Oh well. Okay. I will call this water resistance. And that's good. We have 2 layers of water resistance because I can feel that water right there, I bet. The Matkao heated liners with glove on a sale price is just too good of a deal to pass by at less than $100 and less than $100 Canadian. And that's the reason I bought these for myself, because they were too good of a deal to pass by. Worth it at sale price? Yes. At regular price? Depending on what you're looking for, there are other options if you're looking for the best heat for the price paid. This is not going to win any rewards. Now, if it's windy, I honestly don't see these as going to be the warmest out there for sure, because I'm sure the wind will go through this, as I can feel a bit of air go through here just moving my hand like that. This is Eric of Sparky Tech. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below, so yes, I will at least do my best to answer your questions. Have yourselves a most wonderful day.